Hello, in front of me I've got Canon EOS. In this video I'll show you how to add playback creative filters. In the beginning, let's go to menu and go to playback and go to second menu. Enter playback creative filters, set, and now you can select grainy, black and white, soft focus, fisheye effect, art bolt, water painting effect, toy camera effect, and miniature effect. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.